Hey everyone! Today we're unboxing our brand new popcorn machine. Here, we can do this again. Hey everybody! Today we're unboxing our brand new popcorn machine. Okay, we're gonna do it at the same time.
Yeah, one more time.
Hey everybody! Today we're... Okay. Hey everybody! Today we're unboxing, setting up, and trying out our brand new popcorn machine!
That's fine.
Okay. Yeah. Should we try again? No or no?
Yeah,
like
beast
metal
it.
Staples, look.
Oh yeah. I'm probably gonna have to carry this stuff out of here.
Gosh. Check it out. Is it all together already? It looks like it. No way. I thought we were gonna have to...
That'd be pretty easy.
Is it the right way up?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, here.
It's pretty heavy.
Yeah. Looks to be.
Says I don't want to pull on anything.
I know.
I don't know what I'm pulling on right now, but it seems to be working.
I was about to say, let me know if you need him to help pull the box or anything.
I'm just trying to figure it out real quick before I pull
That's
it.
sweet though.
I don't want. It's all put together.
Yeah.
You want to hold the box?
Be fair. Can you?
Yeah.
Go back and just hold on to the box back there. There you go. Oh my goodness, look at it. It's put together already.
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, so much for.
Sweet. No, that's cool. We'll just try it.
Awesome.
We'll just try it out.
It's going against camera put together already.
Nice. Oh my goodness, it looks so cute. I love it.
Ooh.
I think that's it.
Oh, no, there's a tag
A little
here.
tag
Let me
right
get
here.
that. This is zip tied on there.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh. What happened?
Okay. There you go.
Got it
I
off?
think that's it now.
Oh, this machine looks awesome though. Look at it.
Oh, cute. It gives us some free little
Oh,
boxes and bags.
it's nice.
How cute. Love it. Okay. We need to plug this in.
There we go.
And it says to turn on 2 switches. Then allow kettle to warm for approximately 5 minutes.
Whoa.
So we wait for 5 minutes. The brand gave us these sample packets, and since we don't have the exact measurements right now for the kettle, we're just gonna go ahead and use this. You cut the top off and you dump everything in.
There we go.
A little bit difficult.
Oh, I can see it. Camera. Burn yourself.
It's very hot, so you gotta be careful, but it is a little bit tricky
Zinc.
to get it all in there.
Whoa.
I think that's it. Oh, we close the kettle, and you're supposed to leave the door a bit ajar while things are popping for the steam.
Ah.
So nothing's happening yet, but it's fogging up in there. See that?
Oh yeah, I see this.
And it does. It smells good. Mm. Oh! Oh! It's popping!
Oh shit, it's going?
Yeah, it's popping!
Oh, I heard it.
Yeah,
Hey
I
yo.
hear it.
Hey yo, it's popping.
We'll start spilling over at some point, or do you have to
Yeah, I think so.
let the first kernel drop?
Look at it!
It's so cool.
Oh my god, dude. Wasn't this crazy?
Oh my goodness!
Holy smokes.
Wow!
Not all of it looks so buttered, but that is delicious.
Wow!
I think it's almost done.
Oh my god! Woo! This is amazing! Look at that! It's like Rosa Movies! Yay! So we might have let this cook a little too long.
Oh no.
You're supposed to let this, how do you do this? By...
What's going on?
Pulling downward. Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Ooh.
surprised me a bit.
But yeah, it burnt it really bad.
Oh no. I'd still eat it. Who cares?
Real bad.
I'd still eat it though.
Oh, it's bad.
Oh no.
Okay, whatever.
Zoinks, Scoobs. Scooby-Doo.
Alright, go ahead and turn it off. We'll have to do this another time. Okay, let's try that again. Now we wait.
Oh, shh.
I think you did it a little early. It was smelling like it was burning already.
There's still something in there, too.
Oh! Oh! What the? Popcorn, popcorn. You want some popcorn?
I'll take some.
Would you like butter on your popcorn, sir?
Yeah, and a little bit of salt.
A little bit of salt?
Yeah.
Would you like to choose a candy
Oh yes.
from the candy counter?
I'll take a push pop here.
Very nice. Great selection. Here you go, sir. Thank you. Would you like one?
No, thank you.
Would you like one? So good. Want to take a movie there?
Uh-huh.
Want to watch a movie?
Uh-huh. You're so good, dude.
I'm not good at this at all.
Let me try. Your mouth.
Oh! We love our new popcorn machine.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to subscribe.
See you next time.